So we got hit last night with a massive storm. Still no power. That umbrella stand has about 40 pounds of cement in the bottom of it, and it just blew it right over. And I'm really lucky it didn't blow it into those windows. All my potted plants got pretty beat up. I had a little plastic cabinet where I keep various supplies on the patio, and that basically just exploded. That thing is everywhere. Walk through here. Good morning, Jolie. I don't know what happened. It just exploded, blew apart, and it's just all throughout the yard now. The plants, and specifically the tomatoes, are not doing well. Look at this. Oh man, you can see that just bent right over. And my big beef, well, here are my cucumbers first. They're just wind blown. Should be okay. My big beef tomatoes were doing so well. See all the tomatoes that were growing on those. And I lost a few there. All of my peppers I had in pots are blown over. Pretty much destroyed, but we'll try to salvage those. Wow. The cantaloupes just got blown all over the place. This looked so good yesterday. I was so excited about this week's video that I was going to do today. More tomato plant damage, everything blown over. And more cucumber plant damage. Let's head out to the main garden and we'll show you exactly how bad it is out there. Not too bad. I gotta weave through this minefield. I have a bit of OCD, so this is a little terrifying, sort of. Not bad, but onion plants totally blown over. That chair got, wow, from way on the other side of the yard that flew around. Zucchini's just wind blown, but none the worse for wear. I've got to trim them today anyway. Pepper plants blown over. Watermelon plants seem to have survived it quite well. And we've even got, I'm going to show you from this side, I've got a bunch of these little sugar baby watermelons coming in. I can't wait to try those. There's a lot of them. Squash plant seems to be doing okay, no real damage there. And I've got some buttercup squash coming in, so good news. Those plants will survive. This one on the corner here not doing so well. We'll have a look at that today after we get power and I get showered up. And look at my little plastic plant cells are everywhere out here. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Potato. I'm tired, guys. More pepper plants. Damage. Watermelon plants doing great. Another beautiful one coming in there. And the zucchini over here seem to be okay and wind blown, but fine. Got some green beans growing behind them that seem to have survived okay and are doing okay after I treated them last week for all that caterpillar damage. One more look at my the destruction that I need to start getting cleaned up. I just saw a message on my Ring doorbell that power's been restored about 2 miles away, so hopefully we will have power in the next hour or two. Thankfully, You know, the windows didn't break, the lights broke, all the potted plants are everywhere. We're going to get this all cleaned up, and yeah, it's just part of season 2023, I guess. I'll keep you guys updated.